Want to ditch the TV and play your PS5 games on your PC? Let's get Remote Play working. First, head to the official PlayStation website and navigate to the Remote Play download section. Search for PS5 Remote Play PC. Find the official PlayStation website link to download the application. Click the download button for Windows and save the installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer, follow the on-screen prompts and accept any agreements until the installation is finished. This will install the PS5 Remote Play application on your PC. Now launch the Remote Play application. You'll be greeted by the main screen asking you to connect. You'll need your PSN account details to sign in. Go ahead and enter your username and password. On your PS5, go to Settings, then System, and Remote Play. Make sure Enable Remote Play is turned on. Back on your PC, the app will start searching for your PS5. Make sure your PS5 is powered on and connected to the same network as your PC. Once it finds your console, select it and the connection process will begin. And there you have it. You're now connected and able to control your PS5 from your PC. Enjoy gaming on the go or in another room. Ensure your equipment is connected to ensure smooth gameplay. Have fun.